Just finished assembling the SunJoe electric pressure washer. Time to use it. Let's get started. Now here comes the real test. Got the wand hooked up to the gun. Oh yeah. Okay, having a little trouble trying to figure this out. Got the hose running okay. What's the problem? I think it would help if the water was actually on. That's kind of important, you know what I mean? It's working, has decent power, but there's water shooting out from the side right there where the hose meets the gun. Maybe the washer inside has gone bad. I don't know. I'm not happy though. It's doing what it's supposed to, but I just don't like how the water is shooting from the side. I don't think it's worth the money. I just got this out the box. This shouldn't be happening. I know one thing, and that isn't a good sign. We'll see. Anyway, I got some rough surface tape from Home Depot. I'm using it to mask the brick, almost like I do when I paint. Did the step here. I'll do that area over here. I don't know if I'm going all the way down with this. Again, that pressure washer just didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do. Did an okay job. This looks horrible. We'll get it done. All right, folks. Got my buckets, sprayer, concrete patcher. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Got some more concrete here. Liquid, sprayer, got another bucket. I'm ready. Can't wait. I don't know what the scissors are for. Even backer rod. Oh yeah. Okay, big nasty crack here. I'll use the quick crack repair. Beginners, I think this is something you want to use. Didn't really need the trowel. Have another crack that I have to fill in there. This one here, all the way down. Goes on good. You know what I like about it? You can use your finger to spread it. Oh yeah. Brought the big guns out. Quickcrete vinyl concrete patcher, powder form. Yep, we're doing this. Trowel, bucket, mixing it up, water. All right, guys, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.